you say thank you to Uncle Mike and Aunt Amy?
Thank you, Uncle Mike.
Can you show me how many airplanes were in there? Oh, and then they also got you this cool plane that is, whoa!
Wow! It's so exciting. Go get the plane.
Get the plane and do it again.
Go get it.
Dad'll help you do it again.
Yes.
Lillian, Lillian, show me that pretty ballerina dress you got from Grandma.
Can you twirl?
That's not for me.
Oh, okay. Can you go over there and twirl with Grandma?
Can you twirl like a ballerina?
Oh, beautiful, Lillian. Oh, there's the plane. Whoa!
That's cool. Lillian, you want to give this to Mommy? Here's your San Diego. It says San Diego in the back.
It's
your
beautiful.
Here, Reese.
Oh, those are from Mom and Dad, which is really a lot less exciting.
Yeah. Is it socks and underwear?
No, it's books.
A new book.
Books. Oh,
Lots of books.
very.
And we're on to the next thing. Lily's excited about them. A little Goodwill action there on the...
Here's Reese's shirt.
Lily, let me see those books. Oh, awesome. Reese, let me see that massive thing of airplanes. Wow. Uncle Mike and Aunt Amy sure know what you like.
They do.
Okay, Reese, can you say thank you real quick to them?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's see you do the shooter gunner thing again with the airplane.
Yeah, that is cool.
Lily, can I see you twirl again?
Oh,
Oh, Lillian, you are gorgeous.
isn't that pretty?
Oh, and you got a puppy and a little carrier too, didn't you?
His house. That's his carrying case. Okay, Reese. Ready?
Whoa!
Did you?
And back to these airplanes.
Die.
Did you, are
Okay.
you filming?